Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a Husqvarna 272 chainsaw. This is a 72cc 4.4 cubic inch motor, and it weighs 13.7 pounds. No power, no bar and chain. That's power head only. And this is capable of running up to a 36-inch bar. This one has a new 28-inch Oregon bar. And that's a sprocket nose, replaceable. That's the Pro bar. And that's a new chisel bit chain, 3/8. And we'll get up close with it. Has a working chain brake, automatic oiler, got the wrap handlebars. Got a large falling spike, which is real popular for the thick bark trees. And it's just a working chainsaw. And we'll go out to the log deck, make a cut with it.